on today's episode. It's episode number 100.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on it. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm round in the corner. This ain't a persona, I do this for real. I'm hungry, success is the dinner, and greatness will come with the meals. Oh, I said come with the meals. Mean I get money to blow. Mean I get watches and diamonds.
What is up, everybody? Welcome to episode number 100 of Inside the Bodyshop. 100 episodes in. A lot of people have asked me if I'm gonna do anything special for the 100th episode, this or that, and I'm not, and I'll tell you guys why. It's just the same theory as the whole New Year's resolution idea of you wait till January 1st to start something new. It's just a fictitious day, and 100 episodes is just a number. It doesn't matter. So I'm not particularly doing anything special for this episode. There's no reason to celebrate 100. Tomorrow or Monday will be 101, and that's better than 100, so why would I not celebrate then? So it doesn't matter. So no, I'm not doing anything special for this episode, but I will talk a little bit about why I started this whole BlueCollarKyle thing and doing this daily vlog and everything else I'm doing on social media. I'll get into that at the very end of this episode, so if you're interested in all that, be sure to stay tuned. But on today's episode, first thing this morning when I got to the shop, I had the Hyundai Sonata. I did the pulls on yesterday. I started cutting that one apart, and today I went ahead and started fitting everything up. It's getting a new quarter panel, newer body panel, new taillight pocket. So I got that one pretty much just about fit up, ready to weld together almost. I'm gonna do a little bit of tweaking on Monday just to dial it in just a little better, some of the gaps in the back with the taillights and the trunk lid and everything. If you missed the first part of that episode, be sure to check out episode number 99 and see the first part of that whenever I put it on the frame rack and pulled it and got everything cut apart. Be sure to check that out if you're interested in seeing the first half of this repair. But that was my day today. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you do me a great favor and help me out and click that share button. It really helps get my content out to a lot of people. So thank you guys, and stay tuned to the end of this episode if you're interested in the whole idea of why I'm doing all of this vlogging and everything else with the social media stuff. So stay tuned and check out my day. Well, it's starting to look like a car again. I'm gonna go ahead and put my trunk lid hinges on. I've got new hinges and a new trunk lid and start fitting that up, kind of see where everything's at. So these are the tension rods that hold the trunk lid, hold the tension on the trunk lid. They're kind of tricky to fish in here and put in place. Now I'm not sure if you guys can see this or not, but I'm putting tension on this hinge, bending the spring down, and there it is. So those two rods, they twist against each other in order to hold the tension on these hinges. Definitely a unique setup, but it's not uncommon on cars nowadays. All right, this one's getting close. I got the deck lid just about fitting. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of tweaking on it, but it's getting really close. So, but I'm gonna get back to this one on Monday. First thing I will do, once I get everything fitting the rest of the way, I will weld the rear body panel on and the taillight pocket. Then I'll have to lift the quarter panel back off to put glue throughout this area. But that's a wrap for the day. I will talk to you guys on Monday. So I started the BlueCollarKyle Project back in May of 2017. I've had, over the years, I've seen a very drastic downfall in young people going into blue-collar trades. And it's seen at different enrollments at colleges and at high school programs and everything else. And not just with auto collision, with blue-collar trades across the board. There's a huge drop-off in in the last 10, 15 years of young people wanting to go into these trades. And I think a lot of the reason is, particularly I know with auto collision, a lot of people don't even know that this industry even exists. It's a lot of people think of car mechanics, and that's all they really know about is people who know how to do the automotive side of things, whereas the auto collision side of things is a whole separate business a lot of people don't even know about. And blue-collar trades have been looked down upon, frowned upon. People don't view them as good careers. They think that you have to go to a 4-year school to be successful in life and to make good money, and it's just, all of it's false, and it's complete bullshit, really, that people think that. But that's the way that people have been brainwashed, especially young people coming up. They're brainwashed into thinking you have to go into a 4-year career, a 4-year degree to be successful in life, at least a 4-year bachelor's minimum. And it's completely false. You could, there's lots of blue-collar trades that you can make lots of good money on, lots of 6-figure jobs inside of the blue-collar trades. and people don't realize this. So I decided to start vlogging and showing inside the body shop to show exactly what this career consisted of, what it was all about, and I started to promote it on social media in order to, because that's where all the young people are, particularly, everybody is now, especially on Facebook, but particularly young people are all on social media. They don't watch TV anymore. They watch everything on YouTube and Facebook and Snapchat and Instagram and everything else. That's where they live now. So I thought that if I showed a insider perspective of what this business is all about, it would spark the interest of a lot of young people and they would want to go into this trade. Because if they don't know about it, they can't go into it. If they don't know exactly what it is, if they don't even know it exists, they can't go into it. So the goal is to spark the interest in the young minds, bring them into the blue-collar trades, particularly auto collision, and help them be successful in the blue-collar fields. That's the reason I started all this. I know there's a lot of people that are in the industry, younger people in the industry, that ask a lot of questions and they get a lot of value out of my content. They learn a lot of stuff from my content, and I'm grateful that they do. I love helping them out and helping them become more and more successful in the business. But the ultimate goal is to inspire the young people that don't even know about it, don't even know what it consists of. So that's what I'm doing here. So that's why I greatly appreciate all you guys clicking that share button and leaving comments and likes. It helps get my content out to a lot more people. So thank you guys so much. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. And together, hopefully we'll be able to inspire a lot of young people to come into the blue-collar trades. Thank you guys for following. Thank you guys for watching. I'm humbled and I'm grateful for that, so thank you. And I will talk to you guys on Monday.
Oh, I stay putting in that